Ang focus natin ay ang bulilit, ang maliit, ang musmus. Ito'y napapaloob sa isang tahanan, isang pamilya na siyang pundasyon ng lipunan.
Importante kasama lahat as we try to empower our communities.
We sometimes believe that we are the most powerful person, the most strongest person in our town. We must never forget to be humble.
So inspire them and make them enjoy life. Make them love work, and you will have a happy city.
Basta magaling, sa giginto, nanggaling, and I thank you.
Kasi pag nakita ng mga bata ng leader ay masaya, ang mga bata is masaya. Diba?
What I want to achieve is for these people to have a fighting chance at a better life, because we don't want to produce a failing human capital, because this will be the people who will take care of our economy.
And we made social media a god. It's time to take him down and time to rise above that and be advocates for who we are. And that is Filipino. Thank you.
Sana palalimin natin ang pagmamahal sa ating bayan. Congratulations sa ating 20th anniversary. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Tayo na hinlalaki, na binigyan ng kapangyarihan, alagaan po sana natin ang nasugatan, ang kalingkingan.
Mabuhay si Sinergia! Yung lahat ng ahensya na dapat magtulungan para yung batang Pilipino ay mabigyan natin ng tamang interventions at makapag-recover, makabangon at maging maganda yung kanilang kinabukasan.
I-engineer the school board dahil itong school board, napaka-powerful na vehicle nito na pwede natin gamitin to get the local governments involved. I hope that we can push this dahil importante na si Mayor, si Governor involved in education.
Sa katakot-takot, gahiganting mga problema at hamon, pero pangarap na meron tayo para sa ating education sector, siguro yung isang essential na kakailanganin ay synergy. Ilalaan namin ang aming mga sarili bilang mga mambabatas na patuloy na matuto sa inyo at maging partners at supporters ninyo. Salamat at mabuhay po.
Try to complement each other. Kung ano man ang lakas ng private sector, yan ang gamitin nyo. Kung ano man ang lakas ng public sector, yan ang ibigay nyo.
You can never really satisfy yourself in the service of the people, except, and the most satisfying really is when the people say thank you.
The more we are spread around, the better the education picture will be for the Philippines.
When you get varying, diversified stories or inputs, local school board programs becomes richer in nature. Matuto lang muna sila magbasa, tagumpay na tayong lahat.
Because of Sinergia, lalo kaming napamahal sa edukasyon.
Education is the pathway out of poverty. Remember that.